What is the product formed in the reaction of ethyl benzene on reaction with N-bromosuccinimide? The reaction related information as per script is concerned is given by, these are the reaction related conditions. Whereas if I write the structure of N-bromosuccinimide, this is N-bromosuccinimide. N-bromosuccinimide is source of bromine radical. Here it easily cleaves. As a result, it generates what? Bromine radical. Bromine radical generated as a radical attacks over the ethyl benzene, whereas the stablest radical positions are these benzylic positions, because radical is electron deficient. As being radical is electron deficient, what happens? Here this radical is involved in resonance, so therefore this becomes most stablest position for the radicals as far stability is concerned. Thus here hydrogen is getting replaced by the Br, thus it results into the formation of, here one of the bromine is getting replaced by the hydrogen is getting replaced by the bromine with lower concentrations of NBS. If excess amount of NBS is used, another one hydrogen is also got replaced. If I repeat once again, NBS, this is N-bromosuccinimide is said to be in short form known as NBS, which is acting as the radical source of halogens. As being it is bromine, it is acting as source of radical bromine, whereas NCS for radical chlorine, NIS for the radical iodine. Whatever this bromine radical is generated, this radical want to replace another one easy replaceable radical. That is, after replacing a radical, the formed radical whichever has intermediate should have highest stability. Such of replaceable hydrogen containing formable radical is benzylic hydrogens. If one of the benzylic hydrogen is removed as hydrogen radical, it forms benzyl radical. Benzyl radical is stable because it is involved in resonance with the benzene associated with the carbon radical. So therefore such of radical is got once again reconnected by the generated bromine radical, results into the formation of bromo substituted at benzylic position associated ethyl benzene formation takes place. Hence this is the compound, whereas this radical never makes attack over the benzene, because on benzene only electrophiles makes an attack, cations can make an attack, but here the generated species is not the cationic species, it is a radical species. As being it is radical, radical is getting substituted by replacing another one radical, which occurs on the stablest radical situation, stablest radical position, that is benzylic position. Thus this particular product formation takes place, but not the other. A question related to the toluene nitration followed by reduction and the diazotization followed by Sandmeyer reaction is, the question in descriptive manner, whatever question was there, if I write in the reagent manner, this is toluene. Toluene is subjected for the nitration, whereas this nitration related product is subjected for the reduction. Reduction followed by obtained product is subjected for the diazotization. Diazotization followed by on reaction with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. How many varieties of compounds are formed in the reaction mixture? Whereas nitration mixture is combination of the reagents used are HNO3 followed by sulfuric acid combination. Here cation generated is nitronium plus nitronium ion is generated as the cation. For the reduction, generally we will take the help of ferrous followed by HCl. Diazotization, we need HNO2. HNO2 is unstable, hence in situ preparation of HNO2 is possible with the help of NaNO2 followed by HCl. This is known as, this is in situ preparation of HNO2 purpose. Whereas after this diazotization, we are making that formed diazonium compound reaction with cuprous chloride, otherwise cuprous bromide, copper followed by HCl, otherwise CuBr reaction we are making. As a result of these sequence of reactions, what are the products formed in the reaction? Whereas this is toluene, our starting material is what? Toluene. Toluene is having 3 hydrogens at the carbon's place. These 3 hydrogens are benzylic positions. These are making hyperconjugation. Due to this three benzylic hydrogens, electron density on the benzene ring system increases. So this is acting as ortho para directing group, that is electron pair donor. So therefore on doing nitration, here HNO3 followed by sulfuric acid, if it is added, it results into the formation of nitrotoluene, whereas this is toluene. It may takes place with some percentage at ortho place. It also occurs with some other percentage at its para place, that is para nitrotoluene followed by orthonitrotoluene formation takes place. These two compounds, if they are subjected for the reduction in the presence of ferrous followed by HCl, those of all are converted to corresponding anilines, that is orthomethyl aniline followed by what? Para-methyl aniline formation takes place. This is a mixture once again. After getting this one, it is subjected for diazotization. Let me write all the reactions once again. This is toluene. Toluene is nothing but what? Methyl benzene. This methyl benzene is hyperconjugative group. So therefore on doing nitration, nitration is HNO3 plus sulfuric acids combination. After addition of this combination of acids, that results into the formation of nitro substitution. So therefore nitro group may got substituted at its ortho place because it is acting as ortho directing as well as what? Para directing group. So therefore methyl can be substituted at the para place, like these products obtained, whereas this was subjected for the reduction in the next step. For this reduction, generally Fe followed by HCl conditions we will take. It is acting as source of hydrogen. This hydrogens reduces this reducible group present over here, that is NO2. NO2 is got reduced to NH2. Similarly, this para positioned nitro group is also got reduced to where? NH2. After this reduction, this is subjected for the next step, that is diazotization, that is HNO2. HNO2 is unstable, hence it is prepared by addition of sodium nitrite, that is NaNO2 salt to HCl. As a result here, whatever this particular ortho and the para is there, this ortho is converted to diazonium compound. Para is also converted to where? Diazonium compound, that is para diazonium toluene. Ortho diazonium toluene formation takes place. These two compounds collectively on reaction with copper bromide, otherwise copper followed copper bromide in presence of copper catalyst, Sandmeyer reaction takes place. Hence it ends with, that is ortho place is got substituted by, as it is copper bromide, bromine. Similarly para place is also got substituted by whom? And bromine. Like this orthobromotoluene and the mixture of parabromotoluene is present in the reaction mixture. Thus toluene on reaction with nitration mixture followed by reduction associated with the diazotization followed by Sandmeyer reaction results a mixture of orthobromotoluene and the parabromotoluenes combination.